Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you some activities you can do using a light box. A light box uses high contrast background, which makes visual tasks easier to perform for visually impaired students. But light boxes can be a fun, hands-on activity for all students. You can use a variety of colored transparency sheets to show different colors, such as yellow, orange, purple, blue, green. If you wanted to make the color green, you can use yellow and blue and put them on top of each other to make green. If you wanted to make purple, you could put down red and blue to make purple. We can also use cutouts of shapes to make patterns, like this one: triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle. Let's try another pattern. Circle, square, square, circle. What comes next? Square. We can use our stacking blocks to practice counting. Let's count the yellow blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 yellow blocks. Now let's count how many green blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do I have more yellow blocks or green blocks? I have more yellow. Now let's make patterns with our blocks. Let's see if you can guess my pattern. Okay, if we look at my pattern, I have blue, blue, yellow. Blue, blue, yellow. Blue, blue. What comes next? Yellow. Good job. Now let's try another pattern. Okay, here's my pattern. Green, yellow, blue. Green, yellow, blue. Green, yellow, blue. What comes next? You said green. That's right. Good job. We can also look at other objects such as leaves. You can go outside and collect different leaves. Here's some leaves I collected outside. We can make patterns with our leaves. We can also use our light box to practice writing. light boxes can be a great way to work on our skills and have a little fun. Enjoy!